What's up, YouTubers? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and click that bell so you can get notifications every time I post. All right, so in this YouTube today, as I'm standing in front of one of my properties in Ohio, this is a place where I frequently invest my money. I'm from here. The property cheap, fix it up, make nice profit, or in this case, it's one of my rentals. But yeah, so what we talking about today is basically being able to purchase property with business credit. Tune in for some more of my videos on how you can grow your business credit. But in this particular process, I purchased this land, 18.65 acres in Calaveras, California. I'm not going to tell you how much I paid for it, but I'm going to tell you. I purchased it business credit, okay? So nugget one, in terms of using business credit, sometimes it comes in the form of a business loan. Sometimes it comes in the form of credit cards under the business name solely, EIN number. So I have probably about $150,000 in business credit. Some of them are department stores like Home Depot, vendors and stuff like that. So you can only use that credit for those particular stores. Shell, BP, gas cards, all in the business name, right? So what I did was I literally took a credit card, business credit card, and I did a balance transfer, 0% interest. Business credit card, 0% interest. And I transferred a balance. So the card was pretty substantial amount, but I transferred that balance onto a personal credit card that did not have a balance. So let me repeat that. We'll just use some fictitious numbers. They might be real, but I'll use some fictitious numbers. So assuming you get a $50,000 credit card from Chase, from Divvy, dropping jewels, by the way, Torpago, okay? And you do a balance transfer. Sometimes there's a balance transfer fee. That balance transfer fee could be 3% of whatever the amount is, right? So I pay 3%. That's fine. I paid 3% on that amount. If I transfer $50,000 onto a personal credit card that does not have any balance, that means that they're going to have $50,000 like an overpayment on that credit card. When you got $50,000 as an overpayment to a personal credit card, what do? They then look at it and they say, okay, this person has a positive balance on their credit card. We need to give Mr. Colbert his money back. So what they'll do is they'll write you a check, or you can call them if you got a bank account with them. So let me repeat it. Took a business credit card. They had a $50,000 credit limit. I do a balance transfer of $50,000 onto my personal credit. My personal credit card then calls me or sends me a notice or some kind of notification saying, hey, you got $50,000 on here as an overpayment. Would you like us to send you a check, or would you like for us to deposit this $50,000 into your bank account? They then deposit that $50,000 into my bank account. I then take that $50,000 and I purchase that land. Or I take that $50,000 and I purchase the property.